Amid global trade realignments and industrial policy shifts, India is increasingly positioned to function as what the RBI calls a connector country that can become a key intermediary in sectors such as technology, digital services, as well as pharmaceuticals. The Reserve Bank's latest bulletin released on Wednesday said the recent completion of free trade agreements with UK points to a strengthening of bilateral trade linkages. As per the RBI State of the Economy article published in the May bulletin, going forward, notwithstanding daunting challenges on the horizon, India stands well positioned to navigate the ongoing global headwinds with confidence, ready to harness emerging opportunities and consolidate its role as a key driver of global growth. Now, the RBI bulletin also mentioned that various high-frequency indicators of industrial and services sectors sustained their momentum in the month of April. In addition to that, a bumper Rabi harvest and higher acreage for summer crops, coupled with favorable southwest monsoon forecast for 2025, also augur well for India's agriculture sector. All of this cumulatively hoping to achieve the 6.5% growth rate for India this fiscal, as per the RBI's original estimates. Now remember, India's inflation, the consumer price index or CPI inflation, has ticked below the RBI's 4% threshold successively, making room for more rate cuts to follow after the central bank slashed policy rate by 25 basis points in the February and April Monetary Policy Committee review. The next rate decision is scheduled to be announced on June 6th.